In this GCSE Maths revision, we are going to learn how to expand brackets and try to solve 5 exam questions. We are going to start with a single brackets, which is the simplest. Then we move on to more complex questions. So we can start with this question 1, where we are told to expand the brackets, which is a single bracket. And we have 5 into x plus 4. So, to expand these brackets, what you need to do is, you take the value outside the brackets, which is 5, and you multiply it with every value inside the brackets. Like in this case, we have 5 and x inside the brackets, so it will be 5 multiplied by x, which is 5x, then plus this 4 here, multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. And that becomes the solution for the first question, which is very simple but forms the basis for expanding more complex brackets. So, can we try this question 2, where we have a single bracket, but then inside the brackets, the sign is negative. So, we repeat the same process like in that question 1, only that now in this case, we will change the sign. So for example, we have 3, then inside the brackets we have 2x minus 7, so it will be 3 multiplied by 2x, which is 6x, then minus this negative here, then 3 multiplied by 7, which is 21. And that becomes the solution for this question here. So, can we go, now that we know the basics, can we try to expand brackets in a more complex question? This question 3 here, where you are told to expand and simplify 4 into x plus 2 plus 3 into x minus 1. So this is a combination of what we have done in the first question and the second question. And if you remember well, in the first question, we said, is this part here, where we said, we multiply everything inside the brackets with the value outside the brackets. So it will be 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x, then plus 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. And that part is done. Then we come to the second part, which is what we did in the question 2, where we said we repeat the same process, but now we put a negative sign. So it will be 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x, then 3 multiplied by 1, which will be negative 3, like that. So we are done with that part. Then from there, I can just open the other brackets again. I say it's 4x plus 8, now plus 3x minus 3, like that. Then from there, I group the like terms together. So where we have x's, I group them together, where I have values without unknowns like this 8 and 3, and group them together. So it will be 4x plus 3x, this one here, then plus 8, this one, then minus this 3 here, like that. Then I go ahead and subtract them. Again, in this case, I have 4x plus 3x, which is 7x, and just to put 4 plus 3, which is 7, then I put the x, then plus 8 minus 3, which is 5, like that. And then becomes the solution for this question 3 here. Can we try a more complex question, question 4? So in this question 4, we are told to expand and simplify a question with double brackets, which is x plus 4, then into brackets x plus 6. So in a case like this, what we do is we take all the values in the first set of brackets, we multiply with everything in the second set of brackets. So for example, here we have x, so I'll take this x and multiply it with everything in the second bracket, which is x plus 6, like that. Then again, we take the second value from the first bracket, which is positive 4. Then I again multiply it with everything in the second bracket, which is x plus 6, like that. And then from there now, I can open the brackets where it will be x multiplied by x, this x multiplied by this x, which will be x squared, then plus x multiplied by 6, which will be 6x, then plus this 4 here multiplied by this x, which will be 4x, then again plus 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24, like that. Then from there, I can group the like terms together. And as you can note, I have an x squared here. We don't have another x squared, but I have a 6x here and another 4x. So this ones have x's, I can group them together. Then plus 24, it doesn't have another like term. So from there, I can open the brackets where I say now x squared plus the 6x plus 4x is 10x, then again plus this 24 here. That becomes the expanded and simplified solution for this question 4. So can we try the last question, question 5, which is a bit complex too. So in this question 5, you are told expand and simplify 2x plus 3 into x minus 5. The first step is, of course, to take all the values. In the first brackets, we multiply with everything in the second brackets. So in this case, we have 2x. I put it like this, then I multiply with everything in the second brackets, which is x minus 5. Then I take the second one, which is positive 3. I multiply it with everything in the second brackets, which is x minus 5 again. So from there, I can take this 2x multiplied by this x, which becomes 2x squared, then minus 2x multiplied by 5, which is 10x, then I put this negative there, then plus this 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x, then minus, because here it is negative, and negative multiplied by positive is negative, so 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, like that. From there, I can collect the like terms together, which now will be 2x squared minus 10x plus 3x, like that. That one I can put it in brackets, then minus 15, because 15 doesn't have another like term. Then from there, I can say it is 2x squared, then minus 10x plus 3x, it will be minus 7x, then minus this 15 here. And then becomes the solution for this question 5 here. So that's the end of this lesson. We have tried to expand brackets from the simplest to the hardest. And if you have any question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try my level best to solve the questions and answer your comments. Let us meet in the next lesson where I'm going to revise a different topic, and bye for now.